Good morning. We are back with our classes on electricity. Yesterday I gave you only two homework. The page number 218 only, no? New page also 218. New book also, sorry. So 218 page number. The first question was, compute the heat generated while transferring 96,000 coulombs of charge. This is page number 218 in text question 2. Okay, what is it given? Q is given as what? 96,000 coulombs. Okay, and it says what? There is a charge in how many hours? 1 hour. So time is given as what? 1 hour. Okay, and what is R? Through a potential difference of 50 volt. V is given as 50 volts. What I have to find out? I have to find out what? Heat generated, or H I have to find out. Isn't it? So what was my logic till now? I started using V is equal to W by Q. Correct? W is equal to what? VQ. What is W? Nothing but heat. So heat is equal to what? VQ. V is to 50. Q is to 96,000 coulombs. Multiply and get the answer. 96 into 5 madi and you get the answer. 96,000 coulombs. So 48 and 00000. Okay. We will get 48 with how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heat generated will be in joules. Correct? Or more? Still 96,000 or more? 96,000 into 50. 96 5. Innone 1 0. Correct. 6 5 are 30. So you will get done. I don't know which formula did you all use to get that weird answer, but this is how the question is. You will use the first basic formula of heat, H is equal to VQ. Now we will go to the second problem, or the third problem from in text question. We will go to the third problem of in text question. It says what? An electric iron of resistance 20 ohms, R is 20 ohms. I is how much? Current has how many ampere? 5 ampere. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. T is 30 seconds. Okay, what I have to find out? H. Formula ಏನು? I square RT. I is how much? 5 into 5 into 20 into 30. So 25 into 20 into 30. How much? 25 into 20 into 30.
15,000.
Huh?
15,000.
15,000 joules. So this is how you are supposed to solve these two problems. It is very simple. You just have to apply the formula. Now the next part, why does the cord of an electric heater not glow while the heating element does? This answer is there in the notes. Read through it. If you don't get or understand it, you can just ask me to repeat it. Okay? It is there in the notes. It is all about the resistance of the coil, or the thickness of the coil, and the thickness of heating element. Use a little bit of brains and read it. Now write my problems, or not the textbook problems, based on heating effect of electric current. Please write the first question. Calculate the amount of heat. Let us write the question. of heat produced in an electric heater of resistance 1000 ohms if 6 amperes current is passed through it for 10 minutes. So we need to find out what? Heat. Resistance is what? 1000 ohms. R is given as what? 1000 ohms. Current is passed through for how many minutes? T is given as 10 minutes. 10 minutes means 10 into 60, which is equal to how many seconds? 600 seconds. Current is given as what? 6 amperes. You have here somewhere 1000 ohms, 6 amperes, and time as what? 10 minutes. What are my formulas? H is equal to VIT, H is equal to I square RT, H is equal to V square by R into T, which we know. I square. I have I have R, I have T. The formula to be used, H is equal to I square RT. So I is 6 into 6 into 6 into 1000 into 6. So how much? 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6.
180.
36 into 6 is 180. Hingo. 216 or something. Okay, 36 into 6 now. 6 6 are 33. 6 3 are 18, 19, 20, 21. So you get 2, 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This many joules. Okay. You can also write this as what? 2.16 into 10 to the power 7. 2.16 into 10 to the power of 7 joules. Okay. Now the next question. The fourth question in Joule's law of heating, which we have to study, it says an electric heater is rated at 1500 watt. Is rated at 1500 watt. Calculate the heat produced per hour. Okay, so an electric heater is rated at 1500 watt. Calculate the heat produced per hour. We have been given what? Power. Power is how much? 1500 watt. How many hour time? 1 hour. 1 hour is how many seconds? 3600 seconds. I need to find out what heat produced. Okay, now look here. P, we have got formulas as what? P is equal to VI, P is equal to E by T, P is equal to I square R, and P is equal to V square by R. These are my 4 formulas of R. I want what? I have been given only P and T. multiply. How much? 54 into 0, 0, 0, 0. Correct? So 54, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. This many joules. Or you can write this as what? 5.4 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5.4 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. Okay, now the next one, that is the fifth problem. Now for the fifth problem, okay, what is our fifth problem? Please write. An electric iron consumes energy at a rate of 840 watt when heating is at maximum. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. From maximum minimum yesterday also we did no. Same question. 840 watt. 840 watt and 360. 840 watt and 360 watt we have done. So no need. Resistance to find out ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ನ ನೋಡಿ. In the end, resistance is also found out. Current is also found. Resistance is also found. Okay. ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದೀವ ನೋಡಿ. 100 joule of heat is produced each second. Done. Okay. So now we will go to, please write, problems based on power. Problems based on power. First, we will do textbook problem. Your textbook problem of power. It says page number 209, 219. Sorry, it is example. I think what is it? 12.12. Yeah, we will do what? 12.12. Okay. What is the question? It says an electric bulb is connected to 220 volt generator. So V is what? 220 volt. What is given? The current is what? 0.50 ampere. I is given as 0.50 ampere. What you have to find out? Power. Again I will write towards the corner. What are my formulas of power? P is equal to VI. P is equal to E by T. P is equal to I square R. And P is equal to what? V square by R. These are my four formulas of power. I have V, I have I. Which should I use? The first one. So P is equal to what? VI. 220 into 0.50. How much ever? Please write. Whatever is the answer? 110 watt. SI unit of power is watt. How do you define 1 watt? When 1 ampere of current flows through a cross section of a conductor having a potential difference of 1 volt, it establishes a power of 1 watt. Now the next one. This kind of problem which we are doing, the next one, which is example 12.13, it is very important. It is a 3-mark question in the board. Most of the time it is a 3-mark question in the board. It is very easy. So let us understand now. It says an electrical refrigerator rated 400 watt operates for 8 hours per day. So I am writing here refrigerator operates for, it has how much watt? 400 watt and it operates for 8 hours. What is the cost of energy to operate it for 30 days? So you have to operate it for how many days? 30 days. And what is the cost? It is 3 rupees per kilowatt hour. So energy is generally, I told you, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. So now I need to convert my watt into what? Kilowatt. And hours will remain as it is. So now, again I will write formulas of power. P is equal to VI, P is equal to E by T, P is equal to I square R, and P is equal to V square by R. So, can I use this? No, because I only have power and time. So, which one I can use? P is equal to E by T. So, look here, P is equal to E by T. I need to find out electrical energy. So, E is equal to what? E into T. First, P is what? 400 watt. But now I need it in what? Kilowatt. So, I will convert it into kilowatt by dividing it by 1000. Why I divided adu barita ile. 1 kilowatt is equal to how many watts? 1000 watt. So 400 watt is how many kilowatt? 400 into 1 by 1000. So I will divide. Okay. T is 2. 8. It is used for 8 hours. So now I will cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 8 2s are 16. So I have 16 by 5 kilowatt hour. Correct? This is used for how many days? 1 day. So I will say say 1 day electrical energy consumed, or the energy consumed is how much? 16 by 5 kilowatt hour. So for 30 days, energy consumed will be 16 by 5 into 30. Correct? So this becomes what? 5 6 are 30. So how much? 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6 and 9, 96 kilowatt hour. Correct here? Now 1 unit is how many rupees? 3 rupees. So 96 units will be how much? 96 into 3. 6 3s are 18. Carry over 1 3 9s are 27. 27 1 28. So it will be rupees 288. The total cost of electrical energy will be how much? Rupees 288. Check the answer please. Rupees 288. Understood how we did? So first we will convert in these kinds of problem where there is cost of unit given. You need to convert the power in kilowatt. Time will be in hours only because the commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. So we will always convert it into kilowatt hour. Calculate, sometimes they give you calculate for the month of September, October. So you will do that January, February and find out whether it is 30 days or 31 days. Multiply it and then do it like this. Understood? Here we have used only one appliance. Actually in a house there will be many appliances. So you will convert all and then add up the total unit consumed. Okay? Now let us do more problems on power. Please write. The first one, 400 joule. This is again with the number in which any problem. Second, third, fourth, third. 400 joule of heat is produced. Heat is produced in 4 seconds the potential difference across the resistor. Find the potential difference across the resistor. It is not a problem based on power, it is a problem based on heating effect of electric current. So what is given to us? H is given as what? 400 joules. Time is given as what? 4 seconds. R is given as what? 4 ohms. What is required? V is required. Okay. So now let us go back to our formula writing. H is equal to VIP. H is equal to I square RT. H is equal to V square by R and T. Which one to use? This one. Isn't it? So we will use H is equal to V square by R into T. So H R by T is equal to V square. Correct? H is to 400, R is to 4 ohms, time is 4 seconds. So this is 400 is equal to V square. So V becomes root of 400, which is equal to how much? 20 volts is V. I think we had done this. I don't know. Calculate the power. Next question. Some questions, if it gets repeated at all, just don't bother. Calculate the power. The next question. Calculate the power if it produces an energy of 750 joules in 30 seconds. 750 joules in 30 seconds. What I have to find out? Calculate the power. So again we will write P is equal to VI, P is equal to E by T, P is equal to I square R and P is equal to V square by R. What is given? Energy 750 joules. Time 30 seconds. Which formula to use? E by T. P is equal to E by T. So P is equal to 750 by 30. Cancel it. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Answer is to 25 watts. See, I am every time writing these formulas. If you don't write, you will not know which to apply. And at that time, you will have issues. Although I know what to apply, I am still doing as if you are doing it. So every time make sure when you have problems based on heat, problems based on power, you will write those formulas and then tick it. These formulas can be written on the working column and then done. Now let us go to the next one. The fifth problem. Calculate the electrical energy consumed by a 1200 watt heater in 20 minutes. In 20 we have P as 1200 watt. T is given as what? 20 minutes. Convert it into seconds. 20 into 60, which is equal to how much? 1200 seconds. Correct here? Again, what I have to find out? Energy. Which formula? P is equal to E by T. So E is equal to what? P into T. So 1200 into 1200. How much? 12 into 12? 144. 1, 2, 3, 4. Joules. Done. Now to the next problem. I am going through very simple problems at first because your exercise questions are slightly complicated. The questions which are given behind the textbook as exercise questions, they really use your brain's lot. And you know, if I teach, then also every time before you have your exams, you are supposed to solve this entire exercise and go. As lot of questions come from this. Okay. Now for the next one, the sixth problem, calculate the current flowing in a 60 watt bulb rated at 220 volts. Calculate the current flowing in a 60 watt bulb rated at 220 volt. What is 60 watt? P. P is 60 watt. What is V? 220 volt. I need to find out I. Which formula should I use? P is equal to VI. So P is 60. V is 220. I need to find out. So 60 by 220 is equal to I. This and this gets cancelled. 3 by 11 amperes. I don't know 3 by 11 is how much? 0.2. 0.2 something. Just check. I is 0.2. How much I don't know? 0.27 amperes. Okay. So this is how we will do problems based on power and heating effect of electric current. We still have few more problems which we will continue in the next class. Now because we have to even do chemistry. Okay. Thank you.